I'm not shy. I'm just excited.
You're far from shy.
I'm excited.
So I normally put this on. Yes, I think you need to see what you can do with the makeup thing and see, because I think you'll be good. You have customer relationship, so you
look. This is everybody. Okay, whoever's a makeup artist, it doesn't mean they can train people.
Thank you.
And these people in my Birmingham, they want to collect my money.
Oh,
and then it's a lot. But I don't want, like, I've been watching. I said I can learn on YouTube. I can learn on YouTube. But it's like
I'm doing masterclass though very soon. Okay, I think I have to do your brows first, because you know me with my brows. It's gonna be
popping.
Acne or not, you're slaying to the gods.
Hey guys, it's your girl Daniela Ayala, and today I'm with the beautician chick, and we're gonna get popping. I want to make sure you all look at my face. You all see that I'm fair skinned. I have acne on my face, but I know that all my blemishes are going to be covered. So just stay tuned and make sure you watch until the end.
That's nice. Okay, so now we're gonna play music, and at the end you come back and tell them what you think.
Hey guys, so we're back. As you can see, I'm finished and my face is popping. See, I try my best to do it. Don't joke with this one. No. I'm telling you, this is the real one. Seriously, your face will just turn like that. So I came in here, I know they marry. When I walk out, I find my beloved like that. Just easy, fine. Popping. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow the Beautician Chick on Instagram and all her other platforms. Make sure you follow Boss Chick on YouTube. That channel is going to come with a lot of wisdom. And just make sure you stay on top of the notifications. Have a lovely night. Bye.
Hello, do you know any makeup artist, hairstylist, or any beautician in the UK? Or are you looking for one? Also, do you want to make extra income by referring a friend? Check Mobile Afro Hairdresser and Beauty UK, also available on App Store and Play Store. The link is also going to be down below. Download, register, check the app out and leave us a review. Thank you. Bye.